Hello again, my dear students. Ready to test yourself on Part A, Sizing and Grading? Let us solve 10 questions together and understand the why behind every single answer. Keep your scorecard ready and let's begin. Question 1. Why do we classify a soil? The answer is B. By grouping soils that behave alike. A few simple index tests can predict how the soil will perform in the field. It is not about color or chemistry. Question 2. The sieve that splits coarse from fine soils is the 75 micron sieve. Option C. If more than half is retained, the soil is coarse grained. If more than half passes, it is fine grained. This is the single most important number in Part A. Question 3. Clay size particles as per IS 4098 are smaller than 0.002 millimeters. Option A. That is just 2 microns, the very smallest grains and the ones that respond to water. Question 4. Silt lies between clay and sand from 0.002 to 0.075 millimeters. Option B. Notice its upper limit is exactly the 75 micron sieve, so silt is still a fine-grained soil. Question 5. Gravel ranges from 4.75 to 80 millimeters. Option B. Just above gravel are cobbles and boulders. Just below it is sand. So 4.75 millimeters is the sand-gravel boundary. Question 6. The uniformity coefficient Cu is D60 divided by D10. Option B. The larger it is, the wider the range of particle sizes. Careful, option C is actually the coefficient of curvature, CC. Question 7. A sand is well graded when Cu is greater than 6 and Cc lies between 1 and 3. Option B. Both conditions must be satisfied together. For gravel, the Cu limit is 4 instead of 6. Question 8. The textural triangle uses the percentages of sand, silt and clay, option B, which always add up to 100%. Remember, it ignores gravel and plasticity, so it gives a quick texture name, not the full engineering picture. Question 9. A numerical. We are given D10 equals 0.2, D30 equals 0.6 and D60 equals 1.8 millimeters for a sand. Step 1. Cu equals D60 over D10, that is 1.8 over 0.2, which is 9. Step 2. Cc equals D30 squared over D10 times D60, that is 0.36 over 0.36, which is 1.0. Step 3. Since Cu of 9 is greater than 6 and Cc of 1.0 lies between 1 and 3, both conditions hold. So the answer, this is a well-graded sand. Question 10. In a sieve test, 35% of the soil passes the 75 micron sieve. Step 1. The amount retained is 100 minus 35, which is 65%. Step 2. Since more than half, that is 65%, is retained on the 75 micron sieve, the soil is coarse-grained. Step 3. As the coarse part is mostly sand, this is a sandy soil. And that completes Part A. Well done. And that is Part A. Done. Remember the golden rules. 75 microns splits coarse from fine. Cu is D60 over D10. And a soil is well graded only when both Cu and Cc behave together. Next, we will solve the Part B questions. Do subscribe, grab the free notes on our Telegram, learn Civil Easy, and I will see you very soon. Take care and happy learning.